Welcome back to Maxinescorner. If you want to learn how to make this delicious sesame seed cauliflower wings, then keep watching this video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some sticky cauliflower wings. They are absolutely delicious. Before I get into it, I want to let you know, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that little button that says subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. And also to get your notifications so you won't miss my videos, go ahead and hit that little bell, okay? What I have here is gluten-free flour. What I love about this flour is that it's a fortified flour, and it's fortified with calcium, iron, vitamin B, and there's also no dairy, okay? So I love this flour. I use it all the time when I'm baking. It's the King Arthur flour. So I have a cup of that flour. I also have a cup of almond milk, and this is unsweetened almond milk. And I also have 1 cup of breadcrumbs, okay? You're also going to need 1 head of cauliflower. This is my cauliflower. I'm just going to show you how to cut it. I'm just going to use this one as an example. So if you have a big one like that, you just take it, and what I do, I just use a knife and I just split it down the middle and then cut it one more time like that. And I just want to make them small. So everything is all chopped up, so let's go ahead and make our batter. For my milk, throw your flour in. So I want to kind of get the lumps out, so you gotta go fast. Just kind of want to whisk everything together. Adobo, garlic powder, pinch of black pepper, Mrs. Dash, just using a nice pinch of salt. Mix everything together is what it looks like. So I have my baking sheet with my silicone mat. Toss them all around like this, all right? And this is how you're gonna do it. So I have my batter, I have my breadcrumb, pour it all in there like that, and then you're just gonna dip it in here like that, okay? Then it should look like this when it's all said and done. All right, just shake off the excess because we don't need that, and then go ahead and get your silicone non-stick mat, and then you just place them on there like that. Okay, so this is pretty much what it looks like. My oven has been preheated for about 20 minutes and it's on 450 degrees. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just throw this in the oven now for 25 minutes, and I'm gonna flip it halfway through. Okay, so in the oven for 25 minutes, but in the 15-minute mark, you do want to flip, and please watch it in between as well. All right, so I'll be back. I'm only saying that because we all have different ovens and I don't want it to burn. All right, so while this is in the oven, let's go ahead and make our sesame seed sauce. Okay, so I'm going to be making my sauce for the cauliflower wings, and this is a sticky sesame seed sauce, okay? So what I'm going to be using is 1/4 cups of liquid amino, and yes, we're sticking with gluten-free. So as you see here, I am using the Bragg's 1/4 cups of liquid amino. I am using 1/3 cups of brown rice syrup, and I'm going to show you the one I'm using. Once again, sticking to the gluten-free recipe. This here is the brown rice syrup. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, and it's all vegan, okay? So once again, like I said, I'm going to leave the link down below for everything that I'm using, and this is 1/3 cups. Get it all in there. In there. Hey guys, if you love gluten-free recipes, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you love healthy recipes, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And then my sesame seeds, I'm using 1/2 teaspoon. Mix everything together. Gotta put some hand movements in it like that. Mix it all up. Use a pinch of ginger. If you have fresh ginger, that's perfect. So I have some ginger right there. Crushed red pepper. Now you can use this or you can use sriracha. It's pretty much up to you, but it all gives it a nice kick. And then I'm gonna whisk everything together like that. Okay, so this is what my cauliflower wings look like. They're crispy, they're delicious. Now I had them in the oven for about 25 minutes at 450 degrees, and I preheated my oven. Guys, don't forget to flip them in between, and also watch them to make sure that they don't burn, because everyone's oven is completely different. Now I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna take these, and I'm just gonna toss them in. Watch this. Don't be afraid, just pick them up and toss them in here. Toss everything around in here, just like that. Get everything nice and drenched. You don't know how good this smells, do you? You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. There it is, my lovely people. And don't forget, I made this delicious dipping sauce in my last video. I'm going to leave the link to that particular, how to make this dipping sauce for you guys. And you can go ahead and check that out. It's going to be right up top. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yes, I don't want you to miss any more of these delicious, wonderful recipes. This is a delicious gluten-free recipe, and I hope you guys do try it. If you do, tag me on Maxinescorner on Instagram. Go ahead and check me out on Instagram. The links are all down below. Facebook, join the Facebook support group. It's free. I give great recipes also there, ideas. You can ask me questions and I'll be able to get back in touch with you. All right, so if you're not a part of our weight loss support group, why not, right? Summer's coming up. Like I said before, cannot hide behind those sweaters anymore because it's getting a little hot. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, so that's all I have for Maxine's Corner for you. If you absolutely love this video, go ahead and give it a what? Big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. And what? Stay healthy.